Hello and welcome to another full-length instructional recipe for the Faceless Chef UK. In tonight's episode I'm going to show you how to make buffalo wings. Absolutely perfect for Super Bowl Sunday, served with a delicious blue cheese dipping sauce. Over this week I should hopefully be able to show you a couple of recipes, including this one, which is just perfect for vegging out for a movie night or, on this occasion, the big game. The sauces, fries and wings can be cooked virtually in any order. However, it's best to do the sauces first, just to ensure they have time to rest and the flavours to develop, whilst ensuring the chicken pre-coats in corn flour and egg for at least 1 hour, if not 2. We start by trimming the tip and splitting the wing into a wingette or flap and the drumette. After preparing all the wings, we're going to coat these in around 3 to 5 tablespoons of corn flour, or more depending on the amount of wings we have prepared. We will season these and add 1 whole egg before mixing thoroughly together and leaving to rest for at least 2 hours. Whilst these are resting, we're going to prepare our blue cheese sauce. The blue cheese is simple. We place 200 grams of Stilton with 2 cloves of crushed or chopped garlic before adding 60 ml each of sour cream and mayonnaise, alongside 3 tablespoons of milk and salt and pepper to season. We will then blend this mixture until smooth. You may wish to pulse instead if you want a thicker, chunkier sauce with big chunks of Stilton within it. Once that's blended, we can refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours or until needed. I do recommend leaving for 2 hours, as that gives a better flavour. For the buffalo sauce, we're going to want 1 bottle of Frank's Red Hot sauce, 75 grams of butter, 3 to 4 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and we're simply going to place all this into one pan and bring it to the boil before simmering for 5 minutes. Again, we want to rest this for a couple of hours to allow the flavours to form. The butter may solidify, however our piping hot wings are going to take care of this. The fries I will race through. This recipe is similar to my triple cut chips, which, if I've done this right, you can click on the card above to see now. We're going to prepare the fries. I went for skin on this time. We're going to slice the potatoes lengthways before taking each slice and slicing into a thin, around 1 centimetre wide, I suppose, fries. Once the fries are prepared, we are going to rinse these through water to remove any starch. Before boiling for 5 minutes alongside 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm not sure where I found this one, but believe me, it does work and it leads to super crunchy fries or even chips with soft, fluffy inside that taste absolutely fantastic. If you don't believe me, try it. After boiling for no longer than 5 minutes, we're going to remove these, drain and steam dry. Very careful that we don't overboil these. They are fries and they will begin to crumb quite quickly, so around 5 minutes. If you've got thin fries, make it a couple of minutes less. Once these are steam dried, we're going to fry at medium heat for around 5 minutes or until they begin to turn colour. You can usually tell when removing them from the oil, they'll have like a slightly darker skin than what they went in with. After they've been fried, we're going to remove and drain on and these can be left to cool for later. I usually give it around an hour or so. Doesn't matter, you could in theory leave it for around 5 minutes before doing the next step. The next step is simple. We're simply going to again fry them for around 5 minutes at high heat which is around 180 degrees C. It's just shy of 400 Fahrenheit, if my maths is correct. I may be slightly wrong there, around 380 maybe. But we fry these until they are golden. And now on to the fun part. We're going to take our soaked wings and we're going to recoat them in corn flour. Around 125 grams of corn flour per 500 grams of wing should do. After these have all been done, we're going to fry at medium heat for around 5 minutes. It is important to not overcook at this stage because when we remove from the first fry, they are going to continue cooking. Now, once they are cooked or pre-cooked, we're going to remove them and place in a tray and leave to cool before our final fry at high heat, which again is around the 180 degrees C mark, around 360 to 380 Fahrenheit. Before removing, draining and drying on a rack. Now if you are cooking these in batches, you may wish to put them in an oven on a very low heat just to keep them warm. I have no idea why the camera's bouncing, but there you are. And now on to the final step. And finally, we coat these wings by tossing them through the buffalo sauce in the pan. You can heat them slightly if you wish. So if my wings need a little bit more warming up, so that's why the pan was turned back on. We're then going to serve these alongside our fries and blue cheese sauce. And because I don't know how to sell it on this occasion, we're going to top with green spring onions. And there we have it. Delicious, crispy, slightly sweet and spicy buffalo wings with triple cooked fries and a blue cheese sauce, and if you fancy it, a bit of celery on the side. Thank you very much for watching. If on Facebook, please feel free to comment, share, save or follow the page. Remember, my videos do appear first on YouTube, so make sure to fly on over there, subscribe, hit that notification button, leave a comment or get a friend and get them to subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching. Here are links to 2 previous videos of mine. Stay healthy and see you next episode. Goodbye.